Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name's Amanda, but my friends call me Min. And if you're not new here, thanks for joining again. As you can tell by the thumbnail and the title of this video, we're going to be unboxing some goodies from Zeesea Cosmetics. Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't know if I'm late on this or what. I don't see too many people talking about this brand, but their products are gorgeous. Okay? I mean, wait until you see these. I do have some makeup on. We're going to put on the things that they sent. I'm going to show you what they look like up close, personal, some swatches, how they apply, all of that good stuff. First though, I would love it if you would head down there and hit subscribe. Also, if you end up liking this video, give her a big thumbs up so I know to make more just like it. So a little bit first, this is a Chinese company. I know that may throw some people off, but these products look amazing. If you are interested in trying Zeesea Cosmetics and you just kind of want to get a surprise bundle, you don't know what to try, they do have a monthly subscription box, which is what this is. This is the subscription box or bag for the month of October 2022. The subscription retails for $40 US. I'm in Canada, but it's coming up on the website in US dollars. So I'm just gonna keep it with that. It's $40 US. I will tell you the price of all of these products individually as well. And I would like to mention that the products did come in these awesome travel things that really save the products from any damage or anything. I did already open them all up and take them out of there so that this is a little bit easier. Just going to pull everything out here. The first thing I'm gonna show you, I'm not actually going to use right at the moment. They are the Zeesea collab with the British Museum. They are eye and lip wipes. This is what the packaging looks like. It has like Humpty Dumpty on it. And he's sitting up on the wall, and then there's like this little girl who's trying to help him. The back is all in Chinese. It just says eye and lip right there. I'm not gonna use them, not gonna open them yet because, well, we're not using that right at the moment. And I could not find these on the website at all, anywhere, so I don't know how much they retail for on their own. The first thing we are going to talk about is this bronzer, okay? This is the box that it comes in. It is beautiful. It's got the red, the gold, it has like a sparkly flake in it. It is from the Palace Identity line. And when you open it up, open up the box, it comes in this black sash. It's like a velvety, soft pouch. You pull it out of the pouch and check that out. It looks like a compass or a stopwatch. It's got a magnetic opening and closing. When you open it, it does have a mirror. And look at the detailing in the actual powders. Oh my goodness. It is like this lotus flower. It's got the one cool tone browns, and then it's got like this warmer red based brown with a white powder up along the outside. It's got some gold flake in the middle there. Oh, I will show you swatches here. The one closest to my knuckles is the light white shade. Then you have the lighter brown shade, then the warmer shade, and then the one closest to my wrist is just all of the shades mixed together, which is how you'll probably apply it to the face. Now I want to put this bad boy on my face and see how it actually looks. Let's zoom you in for that. Move my hair. I'm so excited. This is so beautiful. And when I swatched the colors, they looked so buttery. I'm just twirling them all together. They seem to go onto the skin quite nicely. I was worried that the shade might be a little weird on me because of the way it looks in the pan, but it's actually super beautiful. Bit down the nose. I actually really like that, you guys. I just want to keep putting more on because it's so pretty. This is the Palace Identity Peony Contour in color 01. This retails on its own for $32 US. The next thing we have is the Zeesea Blush Kitty. It comes in this super cute box. Look at that cat. Oh my goodness. So cute. You open it up and take it out and you get this gold compact. It says Zeesea highlighting powder on it. I know it says highlighting powder, but it is actually a blush. Again, it comes with a nice mirror and it has a bunch of different shades inside. Look at the little kitty peeking out of all the leaves. I will put up swatch here of the different shades, starting from the lightest one, which is the closest to my knuckles, going up through the darkness, and the one closest to my wrist is the shades all mixed together. It is so cute. I can't get over the stamping that they put into their products. So I'm just going to take my Referral 04 brush and mix the shades all together. It is not like a super pigmented blush. I mean, I'm getting pigment, you can see that. Myself, I tend to go in to my makeup with a very heavy hand, so I appreciate products that, you know, work with that, because I just can't, for some reason, I can't just dip it in a little tiny bit. I have to get into it. I think that shade is beautiful. I will continue to use this and try it out. It went on top of my foundation and my powders beautifully, and it matches that contour bronze so well. That kitty blush does retail for $18, and they have two different shades. I think mine is in 02 Pink. Next up, we have the Zeesea with the collaboration with the British Museum. This is the #2 Scarab palette. I think it's like the Egypt eyeshadow. It's got 16 shades in it. Look at the outer box. It has just beautiful. You open it up and the picture on the actual palette matches the one on the box. It has some weight to it. On the back it has information, but it's all in Chinese, so I can't see it. When you open it up, you do get a large mirror, and it's beautiful. And these are the shades. It is absolutely beautiful. You get 7 matte shades and 9 shimmery / metallic shades. It looks like there's a couple, one that is duochrome, and some of them have this beautiful sparkle in it. This retails for $30. I'm just going to do like a super quick eye look today. Don't want to do anything too crazy, but I do definitely want to test it out and see how it performs. So let's do that. Going to start off with this white shade, and that's just gonna go kind of like everywhere. Now, because of the shirt that I'm wearing, it's kind of pink, I'm gonna go in with this top pinky mauve-y kind of color, and that's gonna go all like right in my crease. Okay, this has some pigment. It really does. That's a beautiful color. It's going on with zero problems whatsoever. Now I'm gonna go in with this dark brown shade. It looks like it's the deepest color in the palette. I'm gonna use that in my outer crease here, my outer corner, and to see if I can't build up a bit of dimension. To soften my edge, I'm just gonna go back into that lightest shade that we used. I'm just going to kind of like sweep it up under my brow bone and around the outer edge of that. For the inner portion of my lid, ooh, I don't know what I want to do. I think I want to try out this peachy shade right here. I'm just gonna use my finger because most of the time shimmer shades work best with just a finger. Wow, okay, that went on beautifully. What a gorgeous color. And then right in like my inner corner, I really want to try out this shifty blue purple shade here. So I'm just gonna take my pinky finger and I'm going to like put that just in the inner portion of my eye. This kind of looks like more of just like a topper shade. I don't know. It is really pretty though. For my lower lash line, I think I'm gonna take this matte purpley shade and I'm just gonna run that all the way under. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that deep brown shade and just re-go over that because it kind of went away a bit when I put the shimmer shades on. There we go. Let me just do some liner and lashes here and I'll be right back. Eyes are finished. This is the final result of the eyes anyway. I found the shades to be extremely easy to work with. The mattes were pigmented and blended out beautifully. The shimmers are shimmery. I mean, just look at this little swatch video here. You can see how absolutely gorgeous the colors are. And the very last thing in the box is this lipstick bullet. The outer box, oh, gets me. The holographic gets me every time. When you open it up, it does kind of have the same holographicness to the actual container. And when you open it, you can notice that it has the magnetic closure. So it just kind of snaps closed on its own. As you can see, I was having fun just closing it, opening and closing it. The shade looks like this red, beautiful deep red kind of color. I do not know if this is going to match the look that we are rocking today, but I'm gonna put it on. If I don't like it with my eyeshadow, then I'll take it off and just put on something else. Hey, maybe then I can try out the eye and lip wipes. This is the Supernova lipstick and it retails for $19 regularly. It is on sale right now for $16 US. Let's put this on. It is very creamy. I really don't want much of it on because I'm not rocking the right kind of eye color for it. But just putting it on lightly, you can see it looks beautiful. It really does. On top of that, I am just gonna go in with my Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip though, and mute this out a little bit. If you have not tried this Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip stuff, it is absolutely amazing. Side note, I know we're talking about Zeesea right now, but I had to throw in this Tarte lip thing because my dry lips, especially in the winter time, they need that. This is the look, quick, easy, that I got using the Zeesea Cosmetics. I think everything looks really nice. I think I want to add just a bit more blush. It's because I feel like my blush really isn't picking up that well on camera. So I'm just gonna build that up a little bit like that. Now you can see it. All in all, I am loving the products that I got in the October Zeesea month box. Absolutely worth checking out, 100%. Just the packaging alone is gorgeous. So much better that the product inside is just as good as the outer package looks like. That's it, you guys. That is everything. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not already a part of the Min's Beauty family, go down there, hit subscribe. I know I said that at the beginning, but I'm gonna say it now too. I've got some fun videos coming, and I started doing some shorts because that seems to be the thing on YouTube right now, is getting into doing the YouTube shorts. Let me know if you've seen any of them. If you haven't, go check them out. There's some fun Halloween ones there, and also me cutting my hair and stuff, so won't spoil too much. Go check those out. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.